Alright, good morning. It is 6:14. I got a random kick to go hunting for Bigfoot. No, I'm just kidding. So this morning I felt like I wanted to work on the GS for some reason. Did some reading last night. Read up on the P1300 code, which is igniter. That box. Ignition or igniter? I think it's igniter circuit. Igniter circuit. Ding, 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 ding. That's it. So, check the wires on that. That looked pretty good. Unplugged it. It was not dirty. Nothing like burnt for any reason. I've read that those normally are not the problem. So I took the timing belt cover off and just kind of checking her out, looking at wires, seeing if I see anything that catches my attention. So I saw this electrical tape and kind of wanted to expose it and see what was going on there, and we do have some wires exposed, so that's not good there. And I haven't like untaped this side yet, so that one's stuck pretty good. So I'm assuming that one's freaked up too. And also these two plugs that go into this connector, they just came right out. Actually, I just kind of just tugged on them. Like I said, yeah, they came right off that plug, and so I reconnected those. I can kind of give them a tug now. The plug she's sturdy. So then I went ahead and popped this plug wire, and you can hopefully make sure you can see. Yeah, you can see like a water reflection, if you will, but fuel, oil, water, something, I'm not too sure. So we're gonna get that spark plug out of there, and we are going to dive into that. That is a little concerning. Frickin', would you look at that? Alright, so she is coated in the oil, dripping. So that is not good. Alright, to be continued. Well, we found an issue with the old gs300. Pretty sure the issue was it looked like a wire going to the igniter up there around the valve covers. It was unplugged. I also had some frayed wires, so we got that fixed up. Right now we're taking her for a test drive, and she is running pretty good. We are not in the old GS, we are in the R33, but the GS is in front of us. So right now she's kicking further than she ever has, so we might have fixed it. We are not sure yet, but we'll take it. Right now it is in action, running, driving great for $0 to spend, so you can't beat it. Looking good going down the road. Little Skeeter's in there ripping it right now, but looks good. If old girl makes it back home, we're gonna have to throw some wheels on her, dump it, and make it real hot boy. So we'll keep you updated on if it makes it home. Throw some nice wheels on it. Got a sweet luxury ride from there. So capiche.
Oh, the horn works, huh?
Horn works.
Cool guy.
Trying to see if fans work.
What do you mean the fans work? Is it getting hot?
It's over half, yeah. But it's not like...
It should be sitting there.
Normally it's on the underside of half, so I'm just going to see how high it goes above half. But it normally sits right under half, normally.
Well, I don't know if we drove it long enough to even do it hot.
The cup?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, I'm going to be a little pushy, but come hither. As you can see, 4 wheels on the ground. Check out this hussy. She looks pimp.
Dang.
Dang.
That's a drift car now.
Yeah, we need to lower the back for sure.
Like perfect.
Full lock, nothing touches.
Really?
Yep, both ways.
That's hot.
Yep. So, Kobe, I think Kobe said it was bucket spring in the rear. It's not.
No, it's full.
Yeah.
Legit.
And it looks like it's zeroed out.
Yeah.
But
got some hot boy wheels on it. Let's go. Also installing the fresh Spider Graphics Jet brow. Lowering the rear, give her a little bit of Cali lean. It's already got these. That's right. Already got these Rev 9 coilovers on it, which is great. Best thing we never knew we were actually buying. So we'll dump this thing. So these coilovers are only preload adjustment to adjust ride height. That's fine. We'll get her fixed up. Ride height is set. So now we'll get the wheels on. Can't say that. That's dumb. There we go. Maybe that's why there wasn't much thread showing. Rip, rip. Did it have aftermarket lug nuts already as well?
yeah.
Game on. This car was made for us. Just begging for it. All right.
Rain super off.
Good to go out here every day. Pick them up. What's up, YouTube? Picked up another gs300 because why not?
Because Carcane.
Yeah. Another future prospect into a turbo manual build. We're pulling up right now to see if we can go pick her up and get her home.
We just gotta find it.
Just gotta find it.
Whoa. Are we close?
It's at the end of the road.
Oh. Yeah. That's a nice trailer. I need one now.
That's pretty sweet.
Oh, my pool. I need to trim the trees back from it. This is it. This is it. This can't be it.
Where that driveway goes.
Oh. He's just seeping.
You get the steepy boy.
Wake up, Harden. We're stealing Austin's car.
Sorry about you, buddy.
And we're also going to check out yours.
Alright. Here we go, sir.
Yo, 1, 2. Ah! Sheesh. Sheesh. I like that hood. Oh, you got the... Is there a big wing on it? Or is the trunk up? It's not a GS.
That's a bug eye.
I was about to say. Holy shit, that's Levi's.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, very well. Yeah, it was like a SEMA car
Really?
at one point.
Doing a full build on it. Dang, look at the golds wore off.
I see that. Sun fade.
This thing's got hella toe in it.
Where did you say you saw it?
Saw what?
The GS.
Over here.
I didn't see it. Whoa, I thought it ran. Hot boy, hot boy.
Let's look.
Sheesh.
Yeah, let's go.
Sheesh.
Oh, another one.
It's clean. Kinda.
This might be the skid rig.
You can't drive. How you gonna drive it off there without a truck?
You might roll into the field.
The trailer's just gonna. That's gonna not go well. Know what I mean?
Yeah. A little rough there, but not a bad view.
Hey.
Dang, that's scary.
What?
That's got hella toe in it. See that?
Whoa. Whoa. Something's bent. I don't know what. I'm gonna guess a tow arm. Something like that. Are these clear? They do. Black interior. Gang gang.
That is towed.
Fender's in the way. Huh.
Definitely rougher than the other one, but it's alright.
What's the analysis?
I don't know if we're leaving here with it.
I would say that's a. Oh. Here is the GS. Da-da-da.
The black interior is definitely sweet.
Yes, it is. Heck of towed in. What?
Sunroof?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, hussies hanging out the window.
Well, doesn't look like we're gonna get it today. Darn.
Darn is right. Huh.
Shift it over to here.
Trying to buy all the GS's in Indiana.
Let's try it, pal. I don't think we're gonna get anywhere here. Swapped out the wheels on the GS, lowered it a little bit. It's looking pretty good. Let's check it out. So we're looking pretty hot now. Fitment is looking pretty good. We do need to roll these fenders so we don't destroy them. So we're gonna have to do that. Front is looking real pokey, real nice. This thing's turning out great. Drove it today, drove great, no issues. So not bad for 1,800 bucks. Super minty. I'm gonna pull this thing outside. We're gonna try and clean this engine bay a bit. A little bit dirty. Clean her up, give her a little bit of love. See if she'll give us some love back and continue to run for us. So let's do it.
You want to give me some turn signals? Yep. Yep. I think we checked the front, didn't we? Yeah, I know we did. Front was good.
Already cleaning up. Man, we need more soap. I'm gonna soak this thing up. Shut it up.
Dude, this thing's gonna pick up way too many mils.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's all access. What do you expect?
But look, hussy, I got money because I'm in a Lexus and it shoots flames.
And I got heated seats, baby.
Baby. Sunroof. We can put the little rats in the back.
Yeah, the little step kids.
Yep.
Step kids driving back.
Dude, this thing is too good. Yeah, I think it needs a valve cover. Gasket pretty bad.
Something.
Because it's
spewing. But
So is the 350Z gonna make its debut
where to?
this weekend?
I don't know. Depends if we take her out tonight. We'll have to see. I'd like to. She's ready to rip.
Ready to rip? Ready to rip, he says. Ready to rip. Whoa.
Alrighty, cleaned up pretty good. Looking pretty spicy underneath here. All factory. Cleaned up a lot though. So she's looking pretty good now. Old girl's looking spicy now after we did a engine bay clean. It wasn't even that great, but it turned out good. We're gonna get some fresh plugs in her and see if it will help it run just a little bit better. We'll keep going with this thing. Yep. That's the kitty.